Is it fair to say that your relationship after you got out of prison is not the same as it was before you went to prison in 2015?
Huh?
You have an objection, sir?
Yeah.
Basis.
It's an incomplete question.
So the form of the question? Yeah. I sustain the question. You can rephrase it.
Is your relationship the same with Young Thug since you got out of prison as it was before you went to prison in 2015?
One more time.
Sure.
I'm trying to.
Do you have the same relationship with Young Thug since you left prison in 2019 as you had with him before you went to prison in 2015?
So I'm confused. So help me understand. If you and her y'all got a relationship 10 years ago, so today is y'all relationship the same from 10 years ago today?
Is your relationship the same?
I need an answer.
Is your relationship the same as it was 10 years ago?
I don't think nothing would be the same from 10 years ago. I don't know how to answer that. I don't know.
Okay. Is your relationship better with Thug or worse or the same?
I don't know. I don't know how to. I don't know what to say to that. I don't.
Do you speak? Have you, and this is yes or no, have you spoken with Thug in the year of 2024? Yes or no?
This year?
This year.
No.
Okay. In the year of 2023, have you spoken with Thug? Yes or no?
Old rule, sir.
No.
Okay. In 2022, have you spoken with Thug? Yes or no?
I can't recall if I was in. I can't recall when did I got arrested. I don't know if it was 21 or 22. I don't, and I don't want to say yeah or no to it because I don't know if I was on the street or if I was in jail.
Let me ask you this: while you were in prison, did you ever speak with Thug?
No.
All right. Thank you for that. Do you know someone by the name of Marquavius Huey?
No.
Do you know someone named Quay?
I know a lot of Quays.
Okay. Do you see any of the Quays that you know in the courtroom today?
Yeah.
Okay. How many of the Quays do you know are in the courtroom today?
One.
Okay. Can you identify him by article of clothing that he is wearing?
Well, he's sitting right there. Like, okay. I don't know what color it is he got on.
All right. You said over there. Is he sitting? Is it the man with the gray and cream jacket?
It shall so reflect.
Thank you. How long have you known Quay?
Not long.
When you say not long, what does that mean to you?
I don't know Quay like that.
Okay. Have you known him for a year? More than a year?
I haven't been around him a year. So, just because I know of somebody, I've been in jail, I've been away, so.
So are you saying you just met him in 2023?
I met Quay probably, I only knew Quay personally, been around him no less than 90 days, like no longer than 90 days. I don't know. I haven't been around him personally to say I know him that well.
Let me ask you this. In 2021, did you know Quay?
I think that's when I met him.
Okay. Do you recall how you met Quay in 2021?
No, I don't.
In 2021, did you consider Quay a friend?
I consider him cool.
I'm going to start in 2021. How often, if at all, did you see Quay?
I don't know.
Would it be weekly?
I seen him when I seen him.
Okay. Would that be once a week, once a month, every couple of days? What
I
is that?
saw him when we had time to see each other.
And I'm asking very specific.
I can't say.
How often that was?
When I wake up, my day is not planned. I just go with the day.
And so I'll just ask you again.
Say that again.
Would you see him on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis?
I saw him when I saw him.
Would you speak with him on the phone?
Yeah.
Was that, how often would you speak with him on the phone?
When we had to call each other for something.
Was that, did you speak with him on the phone more than when you actually saw him in person?
I spoke to him when we spoke to each other.
Did you speak to him more, or did you see him in person more?
What you mean?
Objection made. Hold.
What would you do? Would you see him more, or did you speak with him on the phone more?
Meaning?
You said you spoke with him on the phone.
I have, yeah.
Did you speak with him on the phone every day? Did you speak with him on the phone once a week? Did you speak with him on the phone once a month?
I spoke to him when I spoke to him.
You said that you all would see each other. When you would see each other, what type of things would you all do?
Shoot dice. Go to parties. We mainly shot dice.
Did you ever speak with Quay via FaceTime or some other video chat?
What you mean, some type of other video chat?
Well, let me just ask first. Did you ever speak with Quay on FaceTime?
I can't recall if I have.
Would you give Quay advice?
Would I give Quay advice?
Yes.
What they for to me?
Did you advise Quay on certain people he should hang around with
Oh,
or not hang around with?
what about it?
Have you advised Quay on individuals he should or should not hang around with?
I probably have.
Okay. Specifically, did you advise Quay on whether he should hang around?
I state the question.
Have you ever advised Quay on hanging around Young Thug?
I told Quay that, man, I have a personal problem with Young Thug.
Did you advise him on whether or not he should hang around Young Thug?
I thought I just answered it.
No, you told him that you answered you had a personal problem with Thug. That wasn't the
Right,
question.
and I told him that, I advised him that.
What is the that you're referring to?
Whatever you just asked me, I agreed to what you just said.
So for clarity for the record, you've advised Quay about hanging around Young Thug.
I don't. What's your objection? He hasn't really clarified. I think she's trying to get him to clarify it. So I'm gonna overrule your objection, sir.
You advised him on hanging around Young Thug.
I told Quay that he needed to watch who he hang around.
And was that in 2021?
I don't know when it was.
You met in 2021. Have you spoken with Quay in this year, 2024?
No. You said, have I talked to him this year?
Yes.
No.
What about last year in 2023?
I cut all communication with everybody, period. I haven't spoken with nobody.
We've talked about Quay, Thug, Shannon, and Yak. Do you know any of the other defendants in the
No,
case?
I don't know nobody else. I don't. How many?
We've spoken about 4. Do you know any of the other defendants in the
No, I don't know.